Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its readability, simplicity, and versatility. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python has since become one of the most popular programming languages worldwide, used in a variety of fields from web development and data science to artificial intelligence and automation. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Its syntax is clean and straightforward, often resembling plain English, which helps developers write clear and logical code for both small and large-scale projects. Key features of Python include interpreted language. Python code is executed line by line, which makes debugging easier and reduces development time. Dynamically typed. Variables in Python do not require an explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens automatically when a value is assigned to a variable. High-level language. Python abstracts many of the complex details of the computer's operation, allowing developers to focus on solving problems rather than managing memory and other low-level operations. Extensive standard library. Python's standard library is vast and comprehensive, providing modules and functions for almost every conceivable task, from file I/O to web development and network programming. Support for multiple programming paradigms ***. Python supports procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming paradigms, making it a flexible choice for various types of projects. Applications of Python. Python's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Web development. Frameworks like Django, Flask, and Pyramid make it easy to build robust and scalable web applications. These frameworks come with built-in modules for handling tasks such as database connections, form validations, and URL routing. Data science and analytics. Python is a favorite in the data science community due to libraries like Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. These libraries simplify tasks such as data manipulation, statistical analysis, and data visualization. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and Securities enable developers to create complex machine learning models and perform deep learning tasks. Python's simplicity and readability are crucial when working with intricate AI algorithms. Automation and scripting. Python's ease of use makes it a popular choice for scripting and automation. Tools like Selenium can automate web browser tasks, while libraries like OpenCV enable image processing automation. Game development. While not as common as other areas, Python can be used for game development. Libraries like Pygame provide functionalities to create simple games and multimedia applications. Networking. Python provides libraries like Socket and Twisted, which facilitate network programming. It is used for developing network applications, such as servers and clients. Education. Due to its simplicity and readability, Python is often used as the first programming language taught to students. Its straightforward syntax helps beginners grasp programming concepts without getting bogged down by complex syntax rules. Advantages of Python. Python offers numerous advantages that contribute to its widespread adoption. Ease of learning and use. Python's clear and readable syntax reduces the learning curve, making it accessible to beginners. Productivity and speed. Python's simplicity allows developers to write and deploy code faster compared to other languages. Community and support. Python has a large and active community, which means plenty of resources, tutorials, and third-party modules are available. The community contributes to the language's growth and the development of new libraries and tools. Portability. Python is platform independent, meaning that programs written in Python can run on various operating systems without modification. Integration capabilities. Python can easily integrate with other languages and technologies. For example, CPython, the reference implementation of Python, can interface with C, C++ code, and Jython allows Python code to run on the Java platform. Python's combination of simplicity, readability, and versatility makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of programming tasks. Its robust standard library, coupled with the extensive availability of third-party modules, ensures that Python can handle almost any programming challenge. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn programming or an experienced developer working on complex projects, Python provides the tools and features necessary to achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. Its continuous evolution and strong community support ensure that Python will remain a dominant force in the programming world for years to come.